This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by inspecting the pan. Hairline cracks or severe warping usually mean replacement, while rust and stuck-on carbon are fixable. Once you confirm salvageable condition, set up a cleaning station with coarse salt or steel wool, a chain brush, and mild soap. Use gloves because rust and grit abrade skin. Start scraping and scrubbing immediately. Apply pressure in circular motions to remove loose scale. Make sure to rinse with hot water and dry thoroughly with a towel to stop flash rusting. Now tackle deep rust and carbon that remain. For heavy crust, use a vinegar soak up to 1 hour or run the oven self-clean cycle to burn off carbon. Ventilate well and protect hands. Once loosened, use a wire wheel or fine grit sandpaper to smooth pitting and remove flaky metal. Work until surface feels uniformly rough but solid. Make sure to clean again after abrasion, drying immediately. If you encounter hairline cast flaws, stop and evaluate. Structural cracks require replacement or finish by restoring the protective seasoning. Apply a very thin, even coat of high smoke oil, flaxseed or vegetable. Then wipe nearly dry so only a sheen remains. Too much oil causes tackiness. Place the pan upside down in a 425 degrees F oven on a foil-lined rack and bake for 1 hour, then cool inside the oven. Repeat 2 to 3 times for a durable surface. If the finish turns sticky, strip with solvent or baking soda scrub and reapply a thinner coat, or increase bake time to polymerize the oil fully.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.